Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Blogs. So in this video I want to discuss Accenture coding question, and the question is digit odd. Okay, now the problem statement is you are provided with a number, count and print the numbers that have odd number of digit from the range from 1 to n. Okay, so your task is to count those numbers. So basically we are given with a number, input n is equal to 15. Okay, and we have to find the numbers from 1 to 15. From 1 to 15 those have odd number of digit, that means the numbers which have odd number of digit. Okay, so for this reason we have to take a for loop for integer I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and now we have to declare a variable integer count is equal to 0. Okay, and then we have to store our numbers, integer number is equal to I. Okay, now we have to take a while loop to count we have to count the digit, okay, of numbers. So while condition is number greater than 0, and now we have to increase the value of count. Okay, and again we have to decrease the value of number so that we can easily count the number of digit. Okay, now we have to take a condition that if count modulo 2 not equal to 0, that means the number that cannot be divided by 2, that numbers so the count of that numbers are odd, so we have to increase the value of odd. Okay, that means we have to store another variable integer odd is equal to 0. Okay, now increase the value of odd, and this odd number are stored the count of numbers, that means from 1 to 15. Okay, I mean 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, from 1 to 15 we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these 9 numbers have single digit, and after that from 10 to 15 we have two digits number. Okay, so in this problem we have to find the single digit numbers, not single digit, we have to find the odd number of digit, that means from 1 to 9 we have one number of digit, that means 1 is odd. Okay, and from 10 to 15 we have two number of digit, two digit number, the 2 is even and 1 is odd, so that from 1 to 15 we have 9 numbers. Okay, that's why output is 9, and in using this for loop we have to we can found the number of the count of numbers that having odd number of digit. Okay, that number that have odd number of digit. Okay, so integer odd is equal to 0, we have to initialize that with 0. Okay, now we have to take a for loop for integer I is equal to 1, I less than equals to n, n means the input number our, and then I plus plus. Okay, now our second task is to we have to declare in an initialize a variable integer count is equal to 0 that holds the number of digit for each number. This variable count variable counts the number of digit of each number. Okay, and now again we have to store our number from one by one using this number. Okay, array of I, sorry, it's not array of I, it's I. Okay, now we have to take a for loop take a while loop to count the digit. Okay, and here condition is number greater than 0. Okay, and now inside this while loop we have to increase the value of count. When we enter in this while loop, that means our in our number, so we have to increase the value of count because our number holds one digit. Okay, and after that we have to decrease the value of number in number is equal to number divided by 10, so that we can found all the digit. Okay, now after exiting this while loop we have to put a condition, we have to check that count modulo 2 not equals to 0, that means the number of digit inside this count variable we hold the number of digit. If the number of digit divides by 2, that means the number is even. If it is not, then the count of digit have odd number. If it is odd, then we have to increase the value of this variable, that means odd variable. Okay, and inside this odd variable we are storing all the numbers that have odd number of digit. Okay, and after that we have to return our return odd. Okay, now we need to check output. So we are giving our input is 15. Okay, from 1 to 15 we have only 9 numbers that have odd number of digit. Okay, now check again for another inputs. Okay, now if I giving her 99, for in that case also from 1 to 9 we have only single digit, and after that from 10 to 99 all have 2 digit, that means even digit. And from 1 to 9 we have a single digit, that means odd digit. Okay, so that's why here also output becomes 9. Okay, so that's all for this video, and this is the answer for the questions.